Hey, what's going on, team? Happy Monday. I hope that you guys are enjoying the market's recovery. Quick little update for you guys on what's going on over there in Russia and Ukraine. Like we talked about just a couple days ago, what would have happened if Putin attacked and what was the western part of the world going to be put in effect, right? We've seen that there's been a banking sanction, meaning that they're pretty much just trying to isolate the funds of not just Putin, but of course Russia. Swift payments have been blocked, if I'm not mistaken, over in Russia. One of the things that you do have to take into consideration is that Russia, when it comes down to international reserves, has over $630 billion. But one thing, other than having all that money in reserve, which is great for Russia, right? They have enough to try to keep afloat. Their market is shut down today because of these sanctions, and there was such a big drop that they just closed them down altogether. So no one's even able to trade right now in Russian markets because of how just bad things are looking over there, right? I'm sure literally everyone right now, especially if they didn't want this war and you live in Russia, I can't even imagine the inconvenience that this is having on every Russian individual right now, right? So their market is dropping. I think it was down already over 20%. Their dollar is dropping. Their markets are closed, and hopefully, this is an effort to kind of isolate Putin and really limit the funds that Russia has access to, an effort to kind of just really restrict the way that they fund this so-called war, right? So with that being said, looks like the market's been indicating signs of a recovery. We took a series of trades this morning during our live trading session, and everything has been going super, super well. TQQQ from overall lows of about $50 a share, now trading at around $53, hit highs of 53, now trading at 52. So again, waiting to see if we make those higher highs and higher lows. It's actually not looking too bad. Tesla with an amazing recovery. I day traded it a little bit during the live trading session. I'm up a little bit over $1,800 profit on the day, and very, very grateful for it. The last thing is I took a pretty heavy position on AMC, and right now I'm up, I was up about $20,000 on the day. So I went in with $300,000. Direction was in my favor. I actually called it out if you're part of my Learn Plan Profit group. When it began to make these higher highs and higher lows and we began to trade above the EMA line, I saw the opportunity, I saw the potential. There it goes. We just hit $20,000 on the day. So very grateful for the opportunities that today is presenting. AMC is a day trade. It's a very risky day trade. I'm not going to be like other people on YouTube and trying to encourage you to trade the same thing that I'm trading for my own benefit. AMC is a risky trade. You need to understand that. What is my intention? What is my plan? Well, if you look at this based off of previous resistance levels, there's a resistance level right around that $20 price point, $20 to $20.50. I want to see if we can first surpass $20, and then if we can, then again, making our way back up to that previous resistance level of $20.50. It's kind of the goal that I have in mind, but I'm not going to hesitate to lock in profits. Right now, we are trading below the EMA line on the 1 minute time frame, but one time frame that I'm finding to be very, very useful, especially for these specific plays, is the 5 minute time frame. So I'll keep you guys up to date with my overall position. If we break below the EMA line, I'm just going to lock in profits and still walk away with, a couple bucks in my pocket. So just wanted to provide you guys with a quick little update of what's going on again over there in Russia, why the markets are beginning to indicate signs of a recovery. We hope that this isolation really puts things in place where things can really slow down over there. It looks like really the world is on Ukraine's side, and it's really Russia that is viewed as the enemy right now. So hopefully it's enough to really make them hold back. One of the last things that I wanted to talk about is today is literally the final day to enter our custom Digital Storm PC giveaway. So we're giving away this Digital Storm PC plus $1,000 cash. Last time we gave away a MacBook Pro plus $1,000 cash, and it was actually someone that just bought a mouse pad. Imagine that, buying a mouse pad and winning $1,000 cash plus a computer. So again, Digital Storm PC plus $1,000 cash. The giveaway ends tonight, and the winner is going to be announced as soon as tomorrow. So again, if you want to enter, head on over to shoptechbuds.com or click the fourth link in the description. And again, select your favorite items. If it's a mouse pad, if it's apparel, if it's flags, anything, right? For every $1 you spend, it equals 5 automatic entries. So make sure you enter if you want to win. I appreciate you guys' time. I will see you guys tomorrow for our live trading session. And if you want to be able to watch me trade live as soon as tomorrow, click the second link in the description. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.